So the fact that it has this sort of prominence already is unheard of.
Transitioning back to something that Amin actually spoke about earlier, but I was going to kick this off with you, James. So, institutional interest in crypto, obviously we've seen Fidelity and BlackRock launch ETFs at the beginning of the year, is growing pretty rapid. How do you see these type of advancements shaping the adoption of blockchain solutions in traditional industries, financial instruments, et cetera? And what opportunities do they create for businesses looking to integrate such technology?
Sure. I think what's really remarkable to me about the Bitcoin ETF is it's the third largest single asset, a little bit air quotes there, ETF on Earth. The largest is the S&P 500. I realize it's 500 companies, but it's really 7. But we'll call, for argument's sake, we'll call that a single asset. Then there's gold, and then there's Bitcoin. And one of those ETFs is a year old. The others are all 20 plus years old. So the fact that it has this sort of prominence already is unheard of. For businesses thinking about crypto or incorporating crypto, I can also tell you, you'll see a Schwab USD, you'll see a Fidelity USD. All of the large money center banks and large global financial institutions will absolutely have stable coins. They'll probably be deposits in a U.S. bank that hold those, and I think you'll see those in the next 12 months. And then the floodgates are kind of open. What do you need a community bank for at that point? We're going to have these giant pools on the internet of capital that's looking for the best home possible. You've now pooled all of the states, nations, whatever capital in a pool, and it just makes everything better. If you can service 1 billion people and you can make their marginal cost of capital a little bit lower, you're just going to get better businesses. You're going to get more businesses, and you're going to get more interesting businesses.